Let's talk about interest rates. I cannot believe that D.R. Horton is offering 4.99 on this beautiful brick home. This luxurious home is in Magnolia Springs in Semmes, Alabama. You have stunning tray ceilings in the living area as well as the primary suite. Beautiful white cabinets in the kitchen. Don't forget, this is a gold fortified home. That gold certificate drastically decreases the price of your homeowner's insurance premium. Call today for your private showing. Don't forget to ask me about D.R. Horton paying up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing cost. Frankie Wink, 251-234-9919. One of my favorite features of the KATHERINE floor plan is that every bedroom has a walk-in closet. Another one of my favorite features is you have this dual vanity outside of the bathroom. So somebody can be getting ready while somebody else is in the shower.